morning, students. I am Sainath Chaitanya, Assistant Professor in Department of ECE, and I invite you to the Microcontroller Interfacing Laboratory. For today's discussion, we perform the experiment on DIP and LED. So DIP is standing for Dual Input Switch, and LEDs are the one light emitting diode as discussed in the first experiment. How to interface the DIP switch used by with 8051 microcontroller. So I have used 89V51RP2, only 2 ports of it, such that the port 0 is hardware interfaced with your DIP switch. The DIP switch, what have drawn here, you can represent in this manner, or you can also represent the dual input switch in this manner also. Either of the representations are acceptable. Okay, so these 8 pins or the 8 switches inside your DIP switch is getting hardware connected, or it is hardware interface with your port P0 of your 8051 microcontroller. And coming to the other side, I have a P1 port here. This P1 port is connected with LEDs internally. I can say that port P1 is hardware confined. That means it is already connected internally with LEDs inside your YRCS kit. Okay. Now the main agenda of performing this experiment is P0 here serving as an input port, P1 is serving as an output port. So the activity what you have to do is, I am having the DIP switch like this, like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the LEDs are this DIP switch is connected with P0, and I am having the LEDs like I would like to indicate with L as a notation, or simply I can take as this one 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 LEDs. So what happens? The P0 should be proportional with P1. That means here you are feeding the input to port 0. You are taking the output from port P1, which you can able to see on the LEDs. Like for example, you have made only some number of ones, like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. That means you have taken here 1 and 8 in hexadecimal format. That means this arrangement you have given for your DIP switch. Correspondingly, the same LEDs have to be on in the OSS kit. So these are the 8 LEDs, right? So which LEDs will become on now? This LED and as well as this LED. That means these 2 LEDs will become on, because these are like 1-to-1 mapping, like P0 0.3 and P0 GP 0.4 are equal to 1. These are the inputs you have given or you have provided by the DIP switch. Among all your 8 LEDs, the 4th LED as well as the 5th LED will be turned on. This is about DIP and LED interfacing. Okay, let us move to the hardware, and thank you for the day.
Friends, as earlier our sir has finished description of DIP switch and LED, so we are doing that experiment now. So I have already dumped the program and it says finished. You need to write the program, so we are hiding it now. So I have already dumped and it is saying that it is finished. So this is port 0 as explained in the description of our kit. This is our port 0 and this is port 1, port 2 and port 3. So we are connecting our DIP switch. These are your DIP switches, as sir has told already. So whenever we slide these switches, automatically the data will be changed from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, or high to low or low to high. Correspondingly, we have given the data to port 0 and corresponding action will be seen on this port 1 indicated port 1 LEDs which are indicating that corresponding action. Here you can see I am simply turning on this LED, I mean this dip switch, corresponding LED is being turned on. So if I do this do the other thing like this one and this one, simultaneously if I turn off one by one, similarly my dip switch is being turned off, so LED is also turned off. Thank you. You need to write down the code. Thank you.